Hi everybody! Today's video is going to be showing you how to play Simple Gifts. Okay, this is a song that is in the shared drive. It is out of this book called Tunes for Strings. You should be able to find music for this in the Google Classroom shared drive. Okay, so check there. There's a couple of things you need to know before we play this. First thing that is kind of new for some of us, or maybe unusual, is that above the first note, you see this symbol. Okay, this symbol means that you need to go up bow. So you're going to put your bow either at the middle of the bow or towards the tip of the bow so that you can go up on the first note. Okay, so that's an up bow. You'll also notice in the key signature, that's at the very beginning of each line of music, you have your clef sign and then you have your key signature. There is only one sharp in your key signature. That means that all of the F's are sharp. But the C's are not sharp. C equals natural. So when you get to the note natural, when you get to the note C, you're going to play that as a C natural. And I'll kind of talk you through that as we go through it, okay? I'm going to play it 3 times, first on the violin, and then the cello, and then the bass. So let's get your instruments ready. And the very first note, where's my violin bow? Here it is a D, and it's an up bow. It's also the only note in that measure, and that's called a pickup note because it's not a complete measure, and it's picking up or leading into the next measure, the first full measure of music. So we start with a D up bow with me. Ready, go. Good, let's practice that again. So notice where I placed the bow, like in the middle or towards the tip, and I went up bow. Ready, go. Okay, now let's look at the next measure. G, G, A, B, G, B, C natural. I'm going to play just those notes. Ready? G, G, A, B, G, B, C natural. And next measure, D, D, C natural, B, A, G. Next measure is A open. Next measure, A, B, A, F sharp. Good, now we're on the second line, which is a G. Ready, go. A open. C natural, squish your 2. Now we're on the third line. That note is a high D. 3 fingers on the A string. For cello, it's 4 fingers. For bass, it's 3rd position, high D, the highest note of your D scale. It's a half note. Ready, go. B, A open, C natural, the 4th line starts with a G. Ready, go. Good, that's the end of the song. Now before I play it on the cello, I want to remind you of one rhythm. We've seen quarter notes before. We've seen eighth notes before. But not very often do we see a dotted quarter note. So, a dotted quarter note. Here's a regular quarter note. That gets 1 beat. When you put a dot next to it, see if you know how much that gets. The dot takes half of the original value. Okay, so this is normally equal to 1 beat. Half of 1 is a half, And if you add those together, that means that this gets 1.5 beats. So it's a little bit longer than 1 quarter note. And it usually is followed with one of these. That's an eighth note. Eighth notes are always equal to, well, almost always equal to 1/2 beat. So this one is long and that one is short. So it's 1.5 and then the rest of the half for a dotted quarter note. You'll see that a couple of times in the 3rd line and the 4th line. Okay, next I'm going to do is play it on the cello. I need to get a little more space. Find the cello bow. Okay, cellists, check your bow holds. Everybody can play this along with me. I'm going to try to do it with no stops this time, but I am going to go pretty slow. Okay, so the D, ready, up bow. So you've got your bow towards the middle or tip. We're going to go up bow. Let me put the screen down just a little bit before I do this. Okay, there we go. Ready, set, go. Time through this song, I'm going to play it on the bass. Set the cello down. Move this up a little bit so you can see me playing the bass. We'll try to go a hair faster for this time through. Okay, let's open my bass music. Now, 1st position here, and then 3rd position here. There are a couple spots where we use a C, which is 1 in the 3rd position, and a D, which is 4 in 3rd position. Okay? Ready? Starting in the middle or tip of the bow, so you can go up bow. I'll scoot this back just a little bit more so you can see my bow and my fingers. Hopefully. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple Gifts. If you have any questions, send me an email or meet me at a Zoom meeting.